Hello everyone, welcome to the software testing tutorials. In these tutorials, I'm going to teach you the concepts of software testing in a very simple way by using real-world examples. Throughout the lessons, if you have any questions or if you seek one-on-one consultation, please reach out to us at support@corcom.com. We'll be happy to assist you. This course is built keeping in mind the individuals who are planning to enter the field of software development or those who are already in this field but looking for a refresher, and finally, someone who wants to learn testing in general. The main focus of this series is to give you a solid foundation which will be achieved by understanding the fundamentals of software testing. So we are going to cover what, why, when and how of software testing. Looking into the details, first we'll discuss what is software testing and why do we need to test a software. Next, we'll learn about the process involved in making of a software product, also referred to as SDLC. This also includes discussion around popular software development methodologies, that is waterfall and agile. Then we'll learn about major testing strategies and different types of software testing. Next, there will be a lesson on bugs and defects and also what happens when you find issues in the software. Finally, we will wrap up by understanding what is testing pyramid and how does testing fits in the modern day SDLC process. Once the fundamentals are well understood, we will move to advanced topics with focus on test automation, defect management systems, CI/CD, monitoring, and future of testing. All these topics will be covered in separate series, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.